Hi everyone, welcome to Princess Royal Cuisine. Today's recipe is clams and rice dumplings. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like it and share it. Let's start with the preparation. So here I have taken 2 cups of rice which is soaked for 2 hours. I'm going to grind this rice. So preparing a thick batter. Adding little amount of salt and little water. So now the batter is ready to make. Thicken this batter. I kept in the micro oven for 1 minute and made it thick. And this is the right consistency. Here I kept water for steaming. The water is hot now. I started to make dumplings. Now I prepared all the dumplings. Now I am closing the lid and steaming the dumplings for 20 minutes. In a pan, I have taken 4 cloves of garlic, 1 medium size of onion which I am going to fry in a high flame. Now onion is fried, I am transferring into a plate. Now I am adding 2 cups of coconut powder and frying in the low flame until the coconut becomes brown. Now fried coconut also ready. So let it cool these ingredients for some time. Here I have taken some spices. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon, cumin powder half teaspoon, red chili powder 2 teaspoon, pepper powder 1 teaspoon and turmeric powder half teaspoon. I am adding these ingredients with the coconut and onion and preparing a fine paste. Now the masala is ready. It's been 20 minutes now, dumplings also ready. I'm transferring these dumplings into a plate and let it cool for some time. Here I kept one pan, adding 2 tablespoons of oil 1/4 cup of finely chopped onion, and frying until it is golden brown. Now onion is fried, I'm adding masala, adding some water and adjusting the consistency. Now I'm adding salt as per taste. Lemon juice 2 teaspoons. And also here I have taken 1 lb of clams which I cleaned with hot water. Adding these clams into the gravy and cooking for 10 minutes with a medium flame. Here I made small pieces of dumplings. Which I am going to add with the gravy. And cooking for 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes. Now clams and rice dumplings are ready. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.